Hello everyone, my name is Sehajpreet Kaur and today we are going to study drawing to scale. So the first question which arises is, what is drawing to scale? So it is when a drawing is described as to scale. It means that each element in the drawing is in the same proportion related to the real object. It is smaller or indeed larger by a particular percentage, and there are different types of questions in drawing to scale. First one is metric and the other one is empirical, and today I am going to teach you a question uh, in which the question is uh, 13 feet 4 inches into 9 feet 8 inches, and we are provided with a scale of 3.5 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So here, as you can see, we are given scale in meters, right? So first of all, we have to follow certain steps in order to uh, solve such type of questions properly. So firstly, we'll convert foot to inches, and then the further we'll convert it to centimeter and then to meter, and finally multiply the measurements by the scale. And for solving such questions, we have to remember certain points. First one is that while we will be converting feet to inches, so then we have to keep in mind that 1 feet is equal to 12 inches, and then 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So by keeping these calculations in mind, we'll be easily able to do this. So let's start it and see. Firstly, we are having 13 feet in 4 inches into 9 feet 8 inches. Firstly, we'll convert 13 feet into inches. So for doing so, we'll multiply 13 by 12, and 4 inches is already in inches. So 13 multiplied by 12 is equal to 156 inches plus 4 inches, and this is 160 inches. And similarly, we'll convert 9 feet into inches by multiplying it with 12, and we get 108 inches plus 8 inches. We have to add it, and finally the answer we get in inches is 160 inches into 116 inches. And this is our first step. You can say this. And in the second step, we have to convert our 160 inches into 116 inches to centimeter. For doing so, as we know, 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. So we'll multiply 160 inches by 2.54, and similarly we'll do with 116. So we'll get the answer 406.40 centimeter into 294.64 centimeter, and still it is in centimeter, and as per the scale provided to us, we have to convert it into meters. And then for converting centimeters to meters, we have to divide each measurement by 100, and this is it. So we we have to round it off to two decimal places. So we just round it off, and as you can see, it is 4.06, and here you can see 2.9464, right? So as 6 is greater than 5, so we have to round it off, and it becomes 2.95 meter. And this is our third step, and in our final step, we'll multiply the given measurements by scale. So 4.06 multiplied by 3.5, we are provided with a scale of 3.5 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. 3.5 centimeter we will be drawing, and 1 meter is the conversion. So we multiply 4.06 into 3.5, which is 14.21 centimeter, and similarly 2.95 into 3.5 is equal to 10.32 centimeter. The thing is, as we have to use a ruler, so we'll have to round it off to one decimal place. So we rounded it off, and it is 14.2 into 10.3 centimeter, and this is our final answer. Now these are the full paper calculations and how we write it properly. You can see. And this is how we'll do the drawing 14.2 centimeter into 10.3 centimeter. See, 13 feet 4 inches into 9 feet 8 inches, and by solving it we get our answer 14.2 centimeter into 10.3 centimeter, right? As you can see, we have solved it, right? And this is our answer, and in order to draw this drawing we are provided with a scale of 3.5 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. And now we will draw it by keeping all the points in mind. So this is how we do it. Firstly, we'll draw a line of 14.2 centimeter. So this is by placing the ruler, and 14.2 centimeter. You can see we have to be very accurate while drawing it. And similarly, we'll draw 10.3 centimeter. We have to be very careful while using the ruler, because all the measurements need to be marked properly. 10.3 centimeter, as you can see it. Yeah. And I have joined the other sides as well in order to make it a box, but it is not a necessity, but still I have done it because we are doing a drawing, and so we'll just draw it, draw dotted lines. And as you can see, now we have to write the original measurements, as 14.2 centimeter represents 13 feet and 4 inches. So we will label it by writing the original measurements, 13 feet into 4 inches on one side, and similarly 10.3 centimeter represents 9 feet and 8 inches. So the most important thing is that we have to mention the scale as well along the side. So this is it. This is how we draw a drawing by using properly a ruler and a sharp pencil, so that our drawing do not get spoiled. And see, this is our final drawing, as you can see. So this was it. Thank you guys.